If you want to check for notifications in Lucidchart, this quick guide will show you exactly where to find them and how to open them in just a few seconds. Whether you're looking for new comments, document shares, or mentions, Lucidchart keeps your alerts in one easy place so you never miss an important update. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials like this one. Now let's jump in. First, open Lucidchart and sign into your account. Once you're inside, wait for the homepage or your document to fully load so everything appears correctly. It's important to make sure you're signed in with the same account where you expect to receive notifications, especially if you use more than one email or workspace. After that, look toward the top right corner of the screen and find the notifications bell icon. This is usually where Lucidchart displays alerts for activity tied to your account. When you see the bell icon, click it to open the notifications panel. Inside this panel, you'll see a list of recent updates, including comments on your documents, shared files, and any mentions from collaborators. Now take a moment to scroll through the notifications list. As you go, look for anything marked as unread so you can quickly spot new activity. If you want to review something in more detail, just click the notification itself. Lucidchart will take you directly to the related document or activity, making it easy to respond right away. This is especially helpful when you're working with a team and need to stay on top of changes, feedback, and collaboration requests. If you don't see anything new, that usually means there aren't any unread notifications at the moment, but you can still check back later using the same bell icon, and that's all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you can check for notifications in Lucidchart and stay updated on everything happening in your workspace. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.